Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just seeing my face for the very first time, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because trust me, what I do on this platform is I discuss interesting legal issues, legal topics, marriage, police, anything. Think about it. I do it on this platform. I do jokes as well. You need a place to laugh, come to my channel, you will laugh. And at times I discuss scriptures as a believer that I am. So I've been talking about marriage. Basically, I've said a whole lot of things on marriage, especially marriage under the act, statutory marriage, down when I go registry. Yes, that is what I've been discussing about. And if you have not watched those videos, check my channel. Those videos are there for you. You have a lot of things to learn. So I've said a lot of things. So what I just want to say in this video is that I say that when you want to marry under the act, you have to start by giving notice to the marriage registrar. So it is very important that immediately you give that notice to marriage registrar, your marriage must be conducted or celebrated within 3 months after giving notice to the marriage registrar of the intended marriage. Wetin I dey try talk be say, once you don tell marriage registrar say you wan marry, you wan marry, yes, you must do that your marriage within 3 months after you give notice to marriage registrar. That's what I'm trying to explain. And then another thing that I need you to know is that if failure to celebrate your marriage or conduct your marriage within 3 months after giving that notice, anything you do after that 3 months, outside that 3 months, is unknown to law. It is null and void and of no effect. Yes, that marriage is invalid and is not known to the law. So I know you wouldn't want a situation where after you are married, you think you are married and something happened in future, and and then you get to court and court is telling you that, oh my dear sister, oh my dear brother, you are not married, both of you have just been cohabiting. So it is very important that you follow all these procedures. If you have not watched those videos, please check them out on my YouTube channel. They are there. Watch them and learn. So having said that, I would like to talk about the misconception about, okay, I don't want to do court wedding. I just want to go to church. I'm not going to court. Like I said, if you have been following me, there is no such thing as court wedding in Nigeria. I think what some people mistake for court wedding is marriage celebrated in a registrar's office. Like I said, if you have gone through all those procedures I've mentioned in those previous videos, you can now choose to celebrate your marriage in a licensed place of worship or registrar's office. So what most people think that is court wedding is marriage in a registrar's office. Someone that conducts his marriage in a registrar's office and someone that conducts his marriage in a licensed place of worship that most people refer to as church is still the same. Both marriages still have the same legal effects under the law. So if you are scared of going to the registry, don't even bother going to church unless you are going for church blessing. You have to comply with all those things I've said before you can even go to church. If you don't do all those things I've said in those previous videos and you go to church, you are just wasting your money, your time and everything. Anything thereafter, that marriage that you celebrate in church without complying with all the things I've said in the past, yes, is as good as you just marry under custom, because that your marriage is not recognized by law. The law will not recognize it as a marriage because you have failed to comply. You have failed to do the things that will make your marriage to be recognized by law. So like I always say, if you have any questions, things that are not too clear to you, my comment section is always open for you. Ask your questions. I'll be there to attend to you. Yes, I'm doing this as a content creator now. So if I post anything out there, there is something you don't understand, something relating to my video, don't come and ask me anything that is outside what I've said. If you want to ask me anything outside what I've said, you are consulting me as a lawyer in that instance. You understand? So, but if it's anything relating to video, any content that I put out there, I'm going to answer you yes, because as a content creator, when you post something, people ask questions, you have to react, you understand. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. So in the next video, we are going to be looking at void and invalid marriages under the Nigerian law. So if you are married, listen to this video, watch these subsequent videos I'll be releasing to know if your marriage is even valid or not, whether na mere cohabitation I don dey do since all these days. So take your time to listen to those to watch those videos that I'll be releasing subsequently. If you find this video useful, please do your way to share with your family and friends. Till I come your way next time, I remain my humble self, Jacob Jonah, alias Street Lawyer. I'm not strict, I'm just a street lawyer.